everybody, welcome to Best Life and Beyond, back at Disneyland. That's right.
As you can see, we made it to rope drop. It is really early. It just turned 8 o'clock here on a Saturday morning. We're here to have some fun, but most importantly, two holidays have finally collided. This is that time of year.
I like what you did there. Yeah. That was good.
But she's right. Would be proud.
No, but you're right. Two holidays are colliding as we speak. We're going to touch on that today, as well as have a good time like we always do on Saturdays.
So we're going to check some stuff out. So we're going to check some stuff. All right, so we're going to get some. So we're going to. I got hair in my mouth.
Okay, here we go.
So
and
we're gonna
breathe.
So we're going to get some food, go on some rides, have some fun.
Yeah.
And enjoy our Saturday.
All right, let's go see how these holidays have collided already. Got something to show you. Halloween time bunting still in effect, as well as here at the hub. The pumpkins still out, the flowers still falling, because we haven't even hit Halloween yet. But look behind us, it has snowed twice already here in the original Magic Kingdom, because the roofs, I don't know if that's proper grammar, are covered with snow, you guys. Look at this. This is crazy.
And it's the first time on the blue, the dark blue.
Oh yeah, it's the first snow on the new roof. Yeah, on the Mediterranean blue roof, as I call it.
Is it just me, or does it look like there's more sparkles on it?
Maybe there's more. Let me push in over here, because I can see some sparkles on the right side right there.
Middle right?
Yeah.
And then, well, middle right, middle left too, like more in the middle.
Yeah. That's cool.
Now also keep in mind that this is completely normal for this time of year.
Yeah, this is when they always do this. They need time to get this stuff up. It takes a lot of man hours on a very short turnaround every night. I mean, you got to remember they close at like midnight, 1 o'clock, and then it takes forever for them to, you know, get the lifts out and do the work, and then we're back here again at like 7 a.m. So.
And then you also have to remember that the holiday season starts at Disneyland on November 8th, so that's really, really early in the year.
Yeah, so looks like there's only 1 or 2 areas that are not, actually, I think they did it all, didn't they?
No, there's a spot there.
Oh, there's a spot. There's a spot sticking up behind the trees right there, and then the sides right down low.
In the front.
Got it. So probably one more night of snow, and that thing will be completely covered.
Yep, and then by
November 8th.
A couple, maybe 2 more weeks or less, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll have Sleeping Beauty's Winter Castle.
Yep.
Now, speaking of snow. Our snow that's here 24/7, even when it's 100 degrees out.
That's right. Are we gonna?
Matterhorn.
Our fast pass is up, isn't it?
Yeah, it's ready. We're ready to go. We missed it last time, so.
Keeping on theme with snow, we're gonna go venture into the icy slopes of the Matterhorn, yeah.
And it's only got one side open still.
All right, let's do this.
It's still bubbling.
And then you just.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Whoa!
nuts. I almost hit my head on this. I feel like we went way faster.
It always
Does that feel really fast?
It did towards the end. Like it's almost like because Tomorrowland track is not operational, which is usually the faster one.
Yeah.
It's almost like they sped this one up.
Maybe.
Because Tomorrowland's even faster than that.
I feel like Tomorrowland's dippier. Like it's definitely hillier and dippier.
I feel, yeah, and I feel like it's technically faster, but because I've ridden both of them back to back, and it, you never have. All right, made our way over to Dumbo. I haven't jumped on this in a while, so Henry and I are we're gonna venture on to the flying elephant. Katie gets a little motion sick, so she's gonna sit this one out, but we're gonna take you on Dumbo. It's been a while. Look at Timothy Mouse up there. And all the storks delivering the babies. It's great. All right, here's me, 5. I got pink. That's good. I like that. And I'm in. I'm strapped. I got my pink elephant. Henry?
Oh yeah, it's your friend, Timothy.
All right, here we go. Woohoo! All right, let's head it. Let's take her up. Woo! All right, there's Timothy. I haven't been on this ride in so long. This is so great. Look, you can see Matterhorn back there, right? There it is. All right, let's take it down. All right, going down. Here we go. Woo! There goes Henry. He's going up when I'm going down. Woo! All right, going back up. Whoa! Great views of Fantasyland. Where's Katie? She's down there somewhere. There's Casey Jr. over there. Look at that. All right, let's take it down one more time. Feel the G's. Feel the G's. Oh, he won't go down now. We're stuck up here. All right, we're locked in formation. Oh, and we're coming in for a landing. Here we come down back to Earth. Woo! All right, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. It's always good luck. You got to kind of rub his nose there. Yeah, exactly. Now we'll be safe on this wild ride. So the goal is always to try to get Mr. Toad. There's only one Mr. Toad car. There's Ratty. Oh, there's Winky. Winky's one of my favorite color schemes though, because I like the black and red.
I like the white one.
All right, we got Winky. I'm excited.
Welcome to Toad Hall. To ensure a safe and glorious ride.
Here we go. Are we in the library? Yes, yes. Oh! Oh! Coming through the fireplace.
Not Haunted Mansion.
Whoa!
This really is a dark ride.
Full moon tonight. Sorry, sir. Whoa. Danger! Oh, watch out, guys. Cheers. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, ooh.
Nice. I just realized that was a face.
Yeah.
This whole time I've never noticed.
Wow. All right, in front of the carousel, right by the sword and the stone, we're just admiring these hedges and how they're sculpted. I mean, the illusion is that they're overlapping each other. Like, that is very intricate, cool work. I just wanted to point that out. I feel like they just did that recently, or they just updated it, or maybe just freshly did it, but it looks so cool. Just taking note of the greenery. Look at her up there. Oh, she saw me. She's closing the curtain.
Slowly closing the curtain.
Yeah, she's like, don't look up here. Mind your business. So I think we're gonna go venture into Snow White's scary adventure because it's still Halloween season.
Yes, it is.
You know what I mean?
So grab your poison apples and let's go to the haunted forest.
All right.
Look at all the skulls and ravens up there. I like that decor.
I know. I've never.
It's the little things.
I've never noticed them before.
Until you had me.
Ah! Ah!
That actually sounded.
Right?
Is it a crow or a raven? I think they're ravens.
I don't know, but don't touch that apple. Whatever you do, don't. Hey, no, no! My gosh, Katie, really?
Sorry. You can't tell me not to touch them.
All right.
First,
Henry, don't touch the apple, Henry. Whatever you do, Henry, don't touch. Henry! Wow, that was very sinister.
that was very sinister.
Let the sleeping dead sleep.
Oh, she's.
Just in the symbol of what lies within.
Wow, she's chanting a spell. We better keep moving, you guys. Look at the little chipmunks inside the cars. I never noticed those guys in there.
It's so funny because I was literally looking at those thinking like, how cute are those little chipmunks?
Yeah. Squirrels, yeah.
How funny is that? We like
I know.
Watch your children.
the best scene in this entire attraction to me is the front with all the little, have you looked at the little animals' faces? They're like doing the chores.
Yeah.
Literally the best scene.
All right, look, we're getting happy. Perfect. Beware. All right, here we go.
The little animals. Pay close attention. Look at it. Look at that.
Those guys.
Oh, look at the one doing the laundry. Look at him.
Hey guys.
Soon I'll be fairest in the land of the
Oh, they're everywhere. I just need one bucket. Wait, no. Ah.
disguise. I'm fooled and
No, thank you. No.
don't let her get away.
Love that ending.
See you, buddy. Have you noticed right here that looks like her crown?
Oh yeah. Why are we just discovering something?
That is a great detail.
Do you ever like stop and realize like how gorgeous this really looks?
Yeah, I like it at night myself when all these lamps are lit up, and it has a very cozy feel inside here.
I mean, just all the colors and how open it is with all the greenery around it.
Yeah.
Like it's these little things that you walk by and you don't realize, like, wow, I absolutely love this.
This is one of those things that was changed and moved that improved. Like there's a lot of things at Disneyland that have changed that we go, oh, I wish they would bring back the People Mover. I wish they would bring back, or whatever, or let's say the rocket jets, perfect example. You know, I would love if they went back on the roof like a lot of people, but whatever, it is what it is. The teacups were moved from behind the carousel years ago, and this is a way better situation because it was just out in the open. There was no hollow, there was no trees, there was no like kind of like how it's set down a little bit, you know, lower than the.
Yeah.
It's just really well done.
Look at Peter too.
There he is! Yay! Look at him. Hi, Peter. Bye, Peter. Look, he's just.
That's not the most horrible thing you'll see this entire morning.
How funny was that when he's there, hi, Peter, and he's like, like, watch, he'll come by so quick.
Woo! They do. They like whip.
Yeah.
Oh,
all right.
unfortunately, I forgot to wear my Barold shirt that we now have.
I know, because there he is. There he is.
Because we finally get a morning to say hi to him.
Before he starts work.
I know.
This is his kind of coffee time. He's just kind of reflecting. He's had a cup.
He's just chilling.
He's checking out the crowd.
He doesn't know how it's going to be today. Are you convinced? How do you feel about that, Barold? Yeah. I understand.
So we'll pop in a, here's what the graphic of the t-shirt looks like, you guys.
Yes, Brad created it. I told him what I wanted. I was like, listen, I love Barold so much. And he's like, Barold, what's Barold? And I was like, well, he's a little roasty toasty. Well, so a lot of of people don't know what a roasty toasty is. When you come to Disneyland, if you come to their little popcorn carts, there's these little dudes, and they're kind of themed throughout the land. There's clowns, there's an astronaut in Tomorrowland, and they turn the little popcorn.
They're roasting and toasting the popcorn.
They're roasting and toasting, and so Barold is the little Harold. I've been calling him Barold for so many years now.
Well, because it's Baby Harold, is that what
Baby
Barold
Harold,
means?
that's where
right?
it came from. How creative am I?
Well, no, that's how things start, and he's directly related to the guy that's up there who's got such an attitude problem.
He does. He's very angry. Little Barold's a lot more pleasant.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that way you can get your little Barold shirt. That was my shameless plug, but at least it explains it to you.
Oh, yeah.
In case you see a Barold shirt on our site and you're like, what is Barold?
What is Barold? Well,
that's my little buddy.
He's right there. Come visit him at his little popcorn cart.
Huge thank you to Brad for actually creating my vision. He did it just perfectly. We actually have two different designs of the Barold shirt. We have one that's just the graphic,
right,
and then one with him and kind of like a little bit more of the cart.
Sure.
So it's really great, and I need to wear it next time. This just reminds
and those are on Spread Shop, right?
Spread Shop. Well, I'll put the link. The link is always in the description box below.
Yeah.
So if you want to check that out, that's where you can do it.
All right. And Katie's noticed that they've already started to put the lights up.
Yep.
You can see the lights on the edges.
Like you can see it on the numbers.
Yeah.
It's not on the whole thing yet.
No, but they've started because it goes down on the 21st.
So the layover, yeah, the construction to begin the layover starts October 21st.
Okay, and today, the day we're shooting this, is the 19th, and this switches over on the 21st.
Yep, and so by the time holidays start on the 8th, it will be ready to go.
More lights in the back. You can see framing up some of those shapes. Look, it's a pirate son. He's only got one eye.
Oh, no.
Yar.
He's trying to be blinky blinky, baby?
Yeah.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn.
Jumped on the train, y'all, and
it's always a good way, instead of walking,
here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astrobus.
We go on the train almost every trip.
As you should.
There's Popeye. I should have worn my Popeye shirt now too.
Yeah, he's featured on a Best Life shirt now, on Spreadshirt. All right, well, that wraps it up, you guys. Snow in the castle, there it is. You can see it back there.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, Christmas
and now
is
that
coming already.
Now that the sun is out, you can really see the glitter on the snow, and it is just gorgeous. So beautiful. It's making me more and more excited for the holiday season. I got the countdown on my calendar now. So if you like this video, please make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you know when we drop new videos and when we go live.
And then if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members. I'll link all the information in the description box right there below.
We will. We'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.